Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a thumbnail in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this for the video, of course. Then as you can see, there's like a cover bit here. Select cover and select the part you want to make as a thumbnail, maybe this one where the girl's like pointing outside. Then I'm just going to press edit. And here is where you can get really creative with your design. You can add in like a text here. I am going to add like, I guess this one. And to edit the text, just double click on it. I'm just going to type in vlog. Oops. Number 7. And here you can also change the font and the size of the font here as well. I'm just going to then move it. Okay, it's been moved. Not sure about the colors here. Don't think you can change it that much. You can add in some shapes as well. Some cute stickers. Let's see what they have. I have a lot actually. Going to select some from this one, and you can just add these stickers there. And there's also like frames that you can use. Let's see. I think you can like add an image here as well. Like just press add image, and I think it's going to go to your file, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, you can change the color here, so you can select from these like your photo colors. I'm just going to do that. Also this one you can select from a color. Can I not do this? Download the latest version of Chrome. Okay, I don't want to do that, so I'll just do that later, but I'm just going to select this as a color. And don't forget to press apply. Oh, okay, that turned out different. I'm just going to delete that. Leave it like that. And then I'm going to add in stickers. It takes a while to download as well, but I guess you have to be patient with it. Like this one. Okay, you double click on it to add it to your photo. Can you like flip it? Yes, you can. Adding more as I go, maybe. Something like that. And what else? I think that's it. You can also add in like filters and effects to the like picture itself. Like as you can see, there's a lot they can choose from. There's like these star ones. Like that. And yeah, just press save. And as you can see, here's your cover. I'm not sure where you can like actually export it though for now. But yeah, that's how you can create the thumbnail. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!